Cover your right eye for me. When you see a finger, you tell me how many fingers you see.
1,
Good.
1, 1, 1,
All right, now I want you to switch eyes, and we'll try the same thing again.
1, 5,
Good.
5,
Good.
Say you have staph infection, okay, and you've got this rash, and it's a microorganism, and it's eating up your skin. It's a flesh-eating microorganism. Okay, so you can have MRSA or you can have a staph infection, and you're scratching your skin, and you're releasing the shavings of the dead skin, but the staph infection, the virus is not dead, it's laying on the skin. So you've released it into the air, and then what happens, you buff the pillow, you shake the bed or whatever, you have a nurse come in there, and now they've got staph because they're going to breathe it in, and then the bacteria will start to work inside of them. So we have to be conscious that if dogs are scratching, they can have skin infection. Even if you're breathing in the skin particles, if your immune system and your elimination system is not working properly, you're going to have a buildup of things that really have no place inside of your body.
So I was wondering if we could schedule a time for you to meet me and my client at his apartment. It's in DC. It's at the Brittany 543.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
So I had mentioned to you not too long ago that I had a client in DC who has a real messy apartment. Well, it's really dirty, actually, is what it is.
111 and 110.
Hey, incredible Gregory Hunter. This is Mary. I have a quick question for you. Do you have experience with hoarding or a resource for that? And did you speak with Bob about the possessions that are in the house and how it's going to be handled? So we can actually help manage it if you don't have resources. So I just need a starting point. And also, I totally misread your text message. So it's 2 weeks per floor, not a total of 2 weeks. So just wanted to confirm that as well. Okay, you have my number, but if you don't, 301-4740. Thanks.
I was given your name and number from one of my coworkers internally. Her name is Elizabeth, and I believe Lewis may know who you are. She's the president of my agency.
Hi, Gregory. My name is Paris. Your service was recommended to me by Capital Nursing, and I'm looking for a service that can do deep cleaning in a home in Rockville, Maryland, as soon as possible. My number is 203-03. Thanks very much. Bye.